In this video, you'll learn how to create a copy of a note in Google Keep. This is really useful when you want to reuse an existing note as a template, keep an original version while making changes, or quickly duplicate information without rewriting anything. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to duplicate any note in just a couple of clicks. First, open your web browser and go to keepgoogle.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that contains the note you want to copy. If you have multiple accounts, double check that you're in the right one because Google Keep is tied to the specific account you're using. Once the page loads, you'll see your Google Keep dashboard. This is where all of your notes appear, either as a grid or a list, depending on your layout settings. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the note you'd like to duplicate. It can be any type of note, a simple text note, a checklist, a note with images, or even one that's pinned to the top. The copy feature works the same way for all of them. When you've found the note, click on it to open it. This brings the note into focus and shows all of its content clearly, including the title, body text, checkboxes, and any attachments or images you may have added. Opening the note makes it easier to find the options you need to create a copy. At the top of the note, you'll see a row of icons. Look for the 3 vertical dots, often called the More icon. This icon is where Google Keep hides additional options that don't appear directly on the main toolbar. Move your mouse over it and then click it to open the drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see several options related to the note, such as changing labels, adding checkboxes, or other actions. From this list, select the option labeled Make a Copy. Simply click on that. As soon as you select Make a Copy, Google Keep will immediately create a duplicate of your note. You don't have to confirm anything or press save. The copy appears automatically. Now go back to your main Google Keep dashboard. You'll notice a new note that looks just like the original. It will contain the same title, the same content, any checklists, and any images that were in the original note. The copy is usually placed near the top of your notes, so it's easy to spot. From here, you can click into the copied note and start editing it however you like. You can change the title, adjust the content, add or remove items, or even change the color or labels. Any changes you make to this new version will not affect the original note, which is exactly what makes copying so helpful for templates, recurring tasks, or versions you want to keep separate. And that's all there is to it. By opening your note, using the More menu and choosing Make a Copy, you can quickly duplicate any note in Google Keep and customize it to fit whatever you need next.